Hi! In front of me is Infinix Hot 30, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then tap on this plus at the top right one and set up an hour. When you finished, if you wish to use this alarm only once, you can tap on this switcher next to delete this alarm after ringing. If you wish to use it all the time, you can click on repeat and set up days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. To save your changes, click on OK in the pop-up. Then choose Alarm Sound. Tap on Add New at the top and pick music from your smartphone by clicking on the song and going back. You can also just select one of those sounds, like for example, beep. Wherever you decide, when you finish, go back. Then tap on Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and hit OK. Then select Snooze and decide how many minutes your snooze will take. You can also tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to disable or enable incoming alarms vibrations. Lastly, to save your alarm, just tap on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the same switcher next to it that you can use to turn it back on. If you want to edit your alarm, click on it, make your changes, and click on check mark at the top right corner again. Lastly, in order to delete it, hold it and choose Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!